What's going on, y'all? Y'all know I like outdoorsy type of stuff. So I honestly want to show y'all a nice scenery before fall. I'm actually going down a hill, but this is absolutely beautiful. I like going for walks. I like rollerblading and I like bike riding. So this is just absolutely beautiful. Stuff like this. So I'm out actually rollerblading. And sometimes you may not know this type of stuff exists. Anyway, y'all, I'm discovering just new trails. I actually saw this off the street and decided to pull in and just discover it. A little history of the trail, where we at. Hatch Platt House, 1837. You can read about it. So this is a little area. Oh, I think this is where that house was at. Okay, so this is the house. This is what it was once upon a time. But it's nothing now. Beautiful skies, beautiful day, beautiful lake. Something different. You know, I'm out rollerblading on the trail. Y'all can see behind me is just absolutely beautiful. It's a beautiful lake. Look like you could put a boat out there, maybe go fishing. Whether you go walking, bike riding, rollerblading. And so this is something I do. Feels absolutely amazing out here. Nice little downhill around the lake, in the woods, on the trail, seeing different people. Dope. So it's just out here, nothing but nature. Trail go along that way. I don't know where it lead to, but I'm gonna stop back here and go back, but you should smell the roses and the flowers. So I got to finally do something new. I'm out rollerblading, I'm done. Ain't nothing like sitting in the shade with some water, relaxing. I'm about to go out, get something to eat. I finally got to see something new. I'm happy about that. Relieve some stress. So appreciate everybody sending me videos. Got a lot more coming for y'all. This is my life in the shot. Peace out.